Hello YouTube. So I have right here a electric plug, 125 volts, 5 amps, and you can replace the fuse right here by pushing this down. You see a little fuse right there, 5 amp fuse right there, and this is it says right here TS08 08 electric plug, and I want to take this wiring apart. I went online. Looks like there's some Reddit posts of similar people asking the same question: how do you open this up? I could not find any videos out there about this. Maybe I'm just not searching the right terminology, but I figured out how to take this apart, so I just want to show you how to do this. The first step, not necessary, but it's just nice to do this, is to remove the fuse. So if you pull this down, there's a little fuse in there, and you can use a flathead or some right here I have a sharp pin, dental, like kind of like a dental pick, or to just pry it out. So there we go. We can take this out. So if you need to replace the small little fuse, that's how you replace it. Now, how do you take this apart? It's pretty straightforward, actually. All you do is you need to pull this these plugs outwards towards that direction. Pull it out. But before you can, there's a little latch. You just take a flathead screwdriver, insert it in like so, grab onto the outside housing, and then just pull. And that's it. And after you pull it out, you can see it inwards. Here's a little slide. You just take it off. 2 plugs, and you can change up the wiring. Alright, that's all. Thank you.